Okay, welcome to Good to Know. I'm John.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we're here. We're going to do a little review on this sausage stuffer. It's by LEM. LEM?
Yep. It's a 5-pound capacity sausage stuffer.
We'll break it down real quick. And we're going to show you how to do sausage on it and how it does and the features that we like on it. And just want to show you the handle comes apart. It's just a little wing nut screw, comes right out.
Everything comes apart. It breaks down really easy.
This breaks down, just screws off. It does. One of the best features on here, it has an air release, because once you push this down in there and it creates an air pocket,
it'll get stuck.
It'll get stuck, and this will release the air and unstuck it. Okay. You just turn this on here till it's tightened. And basically you take some shortening, we took
lard,
olive oil, anything, just grease that little rubber gasket rim, and that'll help also create a good seal and help it slide down the container here.
Now it does come with a couple of clamps to clamp down on a table. 3 tubes, stuffing tubes. I've got the medium one on here, and I've already threaded my hog stuffing. Yeah, that thing.
That thing, yeah.
Then it just screws onto here. And again, everything just comes apart so easy, and it's quick to set up. And then this goes on.
Easy to clean. You just turn it at a little bit of an angle.
Yeah, actually it would be better if I put my stuffing in there first.
Yes, you put our stuffing, and we'll take it up to its high setting. And there's little notches down here to help hold it down so it doesn't rise up on you.
And this is some sausage stuffing that I made yesterday. It's a cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger stuffing. And it's a fresh sausage, so we didn't use any preservatives in it. So I got that in there.
Alright, now back up. We'll stop it.
Meat. So I wanted to leave enough at the end so I can tie them off. Now, any book on sausage making is going to tell you exactly how to prep your casings, and I'm going to skip that telling you that because just follow those instructions. That's the best way to do it. And keep one hand on here while you slowly turn the crank, and you want to guide the casing off as you go. Don't want to let it come out too fast because you don't want big air pockets in there, but there's ways to deal with that if it happens, and I'll show you that when we're done. I'm going to tie them up.
We'll back up and give them a tie.
Okay. A little bit from the end so that I have room to separate it to make links if I want to separate. Sausage stuffer is a really great product in my opinion. If you are going to be stuffing sausages, it's indispensable, especially if you're a hunter and you like making homemade deer sausage. Check them out for their meat grinders, which we haven't got to try yet. I would love to because we use our KitchenAid attachment right now. So John's going to break this down and we're going to get it cleaned up. I'm going to put as much of it in the dishwasher as I can just because I want to feel that extra sanitation level.
And you definitely want to roll this rod down for storage in it. I don't know why I didn't do that. Now if you want to get this, look on our Amazon link. Yes, we do make a little bit off of it if you buy it, but it's no charge to you, still regular price. If there's anybody out there who wants us to do reviews for them, we're more than willing to.
Let us know. We'll review your food product, we'll review your cooking product, your driving product, anything. We'll be happy to review, give you our honest opinion on it. So,
Again, now what the honesty about it is, make sure that
We did not. We paid for this. We've had
yeah,
this.
we paid for this. We're
for
gonna
years. I think going on 10 years we've
right.
had this.
And if you're gonna send us something, make sure it's a good product. 'Cause we'll
We
definitely
will be honest
we'll
about
be
it.
honest about it, because we don't want. We're here for the customers. Now you basically want to roll this down so it fits back in the box.
Yeah, we keep it in the box. If you're not going to keep yours in the box, that's not that important to keep it rolled down.
Safety wise and for store, again, if you don't want it sticking up in the air in your kitchen like that.
Sure.
So especially if you've got kids running around.
Yep.
But we want to thank y'all for coming to our channel and watching our review. And we'll have some more to come. Please hit that like button, the subscribe button if you want to see more, and if you want instant notifications, hit that bell at the bottom.
That's right. And if you want the recipe for this delicious, if you want the recipe for this delicious bacon cheeseburger flavored sausage, then hit us up on Cast Iron Skillet with Chef John and Rebecca, because we're going to have a video on that also.
And we'll have all of our recipes are down in the descriptions, or there's a link to it.
So thank you very much for joining us, everybody. Bye.
Bye.